Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix Instagram story repeating error. If you want to solve Instagram story repeating error, you have to watch this video completely. Moreover, if you are new to this channel, kindly like this video and subscribe our channel. For this, first of all, you have to click on settings. After you have clicked on settings, you have to click on apps. In apps, you have to scroll down. If you scroll down, you can easily find your Instagram app. You have to click on Instagram app, as you can see in the video. After you have clicked on Instagram, you have to click on storage and you have to clear cache. And if you are iOS user, you can offload your app. At the same time, Android user clear cache. You don't have to clear data. After that, you have also close all the recent running apps. After you have done all that, you can open the Instagram again and check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem repeats again, then you have to update your Instagram app, or you have to uninstall your Instagram and install it again so that your problem can be solved. As you can see in the video, if I open a story, then as you can see the problem has solved to a many extent. If you want to solve this problem, which is again and again, then you can also update your Instagram app, because many of the Instagram errors occur due to outdated Instagram app version. After you have updated your Instagram app, you can close your Play Store and again you can open Instagram app. Then this problem will solve for you after you have updated your Instagram app. Hope you have liked this information. Kindly like this video and subscribe our channel.